These workers are scraping rust and patina of 1,000-year-old Igbo Ukwu artifacts. It's part of restoration work on some of Nigeria's oldest but lesser-known collections. The Igbo Ukwu artifacts were discovered in 1939 in southeastern Anambra State. The artifacts, including these human and ram heads and this ceremonial staff, are evidence of a highly sophisticated bronze and metalworking culture dating to 900 AD, centuries before the more famous Benin bronzes. Some show evidence of a long-distance trading system extending as far as the Nile Valley and Egypt. And here at the National Museum in Lagos, the artifacts have been given a new lease of life.
The Igbo Ukwu objects, they are alloy of copper, brass, and lead. And so they are very susceptible to corrosion. The main purpose for restoration work is to stabilize bronze objects against corrosion.
Some of the pieces at the museum include these intricately designed bowls, pots, vases, and shells. The restoration comes at a time when there is uncertainty about the return of thousands of Benin bronzes from museums abroad. But unlike the Benin bronzes, these Igbo Ukwu treasures are not scattered across Western museums and private collections. 5 bronze artifacts from the original excavation in 1939 are in the British Museum's collection. Calls for the repatriation of these have been muted. The National Museum has a collection of 200 Igbo Ukwu pieces, and more are housed in other local museums in the country. But conservation efforts come with challenges. A grant from the Bank of America is enabling the restoration work.
The works that Igbo Ukwu produce, they actually a showcase and are showpieces, the masterpieces of creativity and craftsmanship, indigenous craftsmanship that is comparable to any craftsmanship, technological craftsmanship all over the place.
The hours are long and the work tedious, but the payoff is worth it. Neglected ancient treasures restored to their former glory. Rita Osakwe, Arise News.
Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything about things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. Here we are talking about the economy of museum. And the big question is, why should the symbol of Igbo as the oldest civilization in West Africa